Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello YouTube. How is everybody doing today? This is me, LaShawn, and the name of this YouTube channel is Money Minded Mama. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All we do is talk about money here, how to save, how to invest, how to make more money, and we do it in a respectful way. We do it in a legal way, and we chip at it little by little. So today we're going to talk about our financial priorities, and it's something that we all need to think about, because as you start to be going out on your own, you're about to raise a family, you're about to get your first house, you have to start by thinking about financial planning, because it's very important. It's a necessity. And you have to have a clear sense of your financial situation. If you're broke, you're broke. If you saved a lot and you got great credit, that's a good thing. But we're talking about long-term goals. So we're trying to make our finances a priority. And we're going to talk about everything from tax considerations to estate planning real quickly, because we just delve into little stuff, because we know the key to success in financial security is to focus on areas and to establish a financial plan. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is talk about the fact that we all want more. We all want to live a better life. We all want to get out of the situation we're in. We want to move up like the Jeffersons did. Okay? We want to get a better house, a better apartment, a better car, and all these things, because it's a natural feeling to want more and to crave more and to want more for your family, for your children, for generational wealth. So that's why we're trying to figure out a financial plan. We're trying to get ourselves in order so that we can have more out of life, which is why we have to envision our future and prioritize all of our financial goals. It's very important, because once you create a comprehensive financial plan, then you can lay back and focus on enjoying what matters most, your family and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing, and we're planning, and we just want to consider some of the things. And so we have to make sure we're paying our taxes. These are benefits of being financially secure. These are just some of the things we have to make sure we're paying our taxes and working on our portfolio throughout the year, because it's not what you earn, it's what you keep, okay? And your complete financial picture is also important, whether you're just starting, whether you're just getting started with financial planning or you're looking to refine your existing strategies. You gotta have the right approach, and you have to save. So your taxes are important, your portfolio, you have to ask the right questions to your financial planner, and because you want to help determine what type of financial guidance is best for you. And some people use financial planners. So let's just go with that assertion that you'll use a financial planner. You have to speak to your financial planner or professional about all of your risks that are out there. I think a couple times a year is good, but I think you should have one. Working with a financial advisor can help you grow. It can help to protect your assets and your wealth. So if you haven't already, make an appointment with a financial advisor, and you'll learn more about your whole financial picture if you do that, and how that financial advisor can help you build a personalized plan, because your picture is very important. So you want to make sure that you make an appointment and you do what you got to do to make sure your future is bright. Because you got to have a thoughtful approach too. You can't be so serious, but you have to have a thoughtful approach to your financial security and to your wealth and the management of your funds, so that you can protect and extend your wealth. Okay, so that's something to think about, because we are trying to achieve our financial goals. And in order to do that, you have to balance all the things that's going on, the amount of money you're spending, what's coming in, what's going out, trade-offs, because you want to seek to grow and protect your wealth. And again, a financial planner is the key. Some type of financial professional can help you develop a more personalized plan that you could do for yourself, unless you're a financial planner yourself, okay? Because a financial planner will take your investment preferences and all of your risks and your instructions and develop an account for you. Because whether you're whether you're seeking, I don't know, like a short-term type of money management, or maybe you're searching for a long-term planning investment strategy. Either way, a financial planner or a professional wealth management person, I say person, male or female, can have a big impact on your ability to grow. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to protect the wealth that you have, and to also to grow it as fast as we can, and without a whole bunch of risks too. Okay, so that's part of your financial priority. So right now, that is what we're trying to do. We have to start out by having our financial priorities in order. We have to get our financial priorities in order. And again, as you start to think about your future and all the things that you want for your family and all the things that you want for your children, like, you got to be smart about it. Like generational wealth and all those things for your kids. You have to start thinking about financial planning right now. You have to start now and have a clear sense of what your financial situation is, whether it's good or bad, and your long-term goals. So that's it. That's all I got for you. I just wanted to tell you how important it is to have your financial priorities in order, and how sometimes it's necessary to get help when you need it, because none of us are perfect. And if we could figure it out on our own, we would have. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's all I got for you today. We're just going to stop it here and pick it up on the next video. So be smart and plan now, today, for your financial future and your financial priorities by getting a financial planner. Wherever you're headed today, wherever you got to go, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face, and treat people with respect. It's the only way to live. Okay? You might be making money, but don't be all frowned up. Okay? That's it. Thanks for joining me here on Money Minded Mama. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.